Hello viewers, today I'm gonna experiment and find out is there any difference between India Gate Basmati rice export quality and India Gate Basmati rice local quality. So here I have India Gate Basmati rice classic, the export quality and the local quality. This one is the export quality which I bought from UAE and this is the local Indian quality. So let me show you first the difference in the packing. So the writing in the Arabic differs from the local and export quality. The export quality has the Arabic writing and the Indian quality has only an English writing, and they have a vegetarian green mark on the Indian pack and there is no mark on the export pack. Then the writing in the Arabic below the pack. This is the back side of the pack. There is not much differences except the Arabic and the English writings on the packets. Now moving to the price. The price of the Indian package is 216 rupees and the price in the export quality is not mentioned on the package, and it's clearly mentioned on the export quality that it can be only imported and distributed in UAE by Farm Fresh. Almost everything is the same. It's KRBL limited on Indian pack and KRBL limited on the export UAE pack. Now the most attractive thing I found in the India Gate Basmati rice packaging is the sealed package. We can reuse it by putting the rice back in it, any other brand too, and it can be sealed and used it again. So let me show you, is there any difference in the quality of the rice? Most of the brands very much show difference in the export quality and the local quality, so I thought to try this. See, this is the export quality rice and this is the local Indian quality. There are some unexpected guests in the Indian pack. That's quite natural. And I don't find any difference in the grain quality. It looks like same. The length, everything looks same. I'm gonna take the rice into different bowls. I'm using a quarter cup to measure the rice. First I'm taking the export quality rice, quarter cup, and the next is the Indian quality rice, quarter cup in another bowl. Now I'm gonna wash the export quality rice and soak it for a few minutes. Next is the Indian quality rice. There are unexpected guests. That's quite normal in our climatic conditions. So this is the soaked rice. Both soaked rice didn't show any difference. They look the same. Now I'm gonna cook this rice in different saucepans and let me check whether there is any difference in the quality. So I have taken two saucepans. The first one I'm pouring the Indian quality rice and the next one is the export quality. I have added a little bit of salt and I'm cooking in the exact same flame so that I can identify whether the rice cook at the same temperature and at the same time. Both started to boil at the very much same time. This one is the Indian local quality and this one is the export quality rice. Now I have cooked the rice. Both the rice are in different bowls. This one is the Indian local quality and this one is the export quality. I didn't find any difference in the quality. Looks the same, the length of the rice, everything is same, cooked perfectly, very long rice. So both the quality of India Gate Basmati rice, export quality and local quality is same. Here I have prepared ghee rice with the India Gate Basmati rice. It turned out perfect. So if you loved the video, just click the like and pour your comments. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell notifications. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in another video.